Hey guys, this is AJ. So today we'll discuss about missing sequence, how you can figure out the sequence you are working at and accidentally anyhow the sequence is not there anymore. You're unable to find it. So let's begin. Okay, alright, so now we are here. We have three sequences. If you can see like AJ, sequence, O1 and test. So let's just say we miss this one, accidentally just close it out here. And now how you can find it, how you look for that. So here we have option like you go to the project panel at the bottom left, go to project, and here you just type sequence or you can just type SEQ. So this will mark a filter on it and provide all of your sequences which are here. So we have AJ, sequence, O1 and test. So once you double tap on it, it's right there. And one more thing, if any of the sequences listed in this bin, that will also be visible here. So apart from this, if you are unable to find it, let's just say you have a lot of the files open here, or if it's still missing, still not reflecting here, so the other best option is you just close this project and open a new project. So let's just say file, close project, save changes, yes, new project, entitled project. Okay, so we are here. So let's go to file and then import or control I, go to the location. So the existing project we have on the desktop, missing sequence, I hit open. So now as soon as I click on open, this will give you an import project, the missing sequence right here, and import type, how you want to import this one, like let's just say import entire project or import selected sequence. Okay, so here we are just performing the step to figure it out how many sequences we have and to make sure the sequence we are looking at, it's there. So we'll click import selected sequence, hit OK. Now it's looking for that sequence. Let's wait for a minute or so. Now it's right there. So we have sequence 01 and sequence test, but the one we are looking at, AJ, is not here. So we have a bin here. Just click on the drop down and AJ, it's right there. So how this happens is there might be the sequences created into a bin, into a folder and folder. So you would have to click on each folder to figure it out your sequence, because here is no search bar or so. So you can go just click on that one and hit OK. So now only that particular sequence would appear here. So in the project panel, we have this and this here, and the same sequence right here. So I hope this video will help you in figuring out the missing sequence. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.